I might end up with a guy who is younger than me. I know, it's crazy. I don't know why these young, small men don't know that I'm older than them. They don't get it. They don't get it. They just think that I'm their age mate or I'm younger than them. Everywhere I go, most of the men that are hitting on me nowadays are just younger than me. Now, let me just share with you a story. So last week, today's on Sunday. Yes, last week I think it was on Wednesday, I decided to go play tennis. All right. So while I'm at the tennis place, this guy approaches me. And he's like, he starts expressing what he's feeling. He was very expressive, expressing what he's feeling. And then, we ended up exchanging contacts. And then he invited me out. All right. So I would say that this guy is young, but I never really overthought anything. I was just like, okay, he's young, but you never know, he might not be young. So let me just show up. Let me just go out with the guy. So I go out with him and the age story comes up. And guess what he tells me, guys? This guy tells me he's 23 years old. 23 years old! And you know me? Me 23 years old. I'm a cougar. I'm your sugar mama. What do you mean? You're 23 years old. Not even 25, not even 27. 23 years old. And I'm looking at this guy like, kia nani? Kuna future hapa kweli? Is there a future? Is there a future? Because I have tried running away from these young men. Then nimekuwa nikiishi hivyo, hii maisha yangu nimekuwa ni ya kutoroka younger men. Because I have dated someone who is younger than me and it's not something that I want to try again. It's not something I want to try again. Like, I had my fair share of them and I just thought to myself that, no, I'm never going to date anyone younger than me. But they just keep showing up. They keep showing up and they approach me shamelessly. I want aibu. What do you need? Huh? Muse? Anyway, yeah, so the way things are going, mukisikia ako 30 na ako na mtu ako 22, 23, don't say I didn't warn you guys. Don't say that I never gave you a heads up. Lakini iko hivyo. Maneno iko hivyo.